Good morning. I'm coming to you from my freezing office on Southwest Main campus today. Hope everybody's doing well. It's time to get started on week 1 activities. I'd like to thank everybody who came to the course orientation last night and for everybody completing their course entry paperwork. We had 16 students at the orientation last night, and 97%, that is 25 out of 26 students, completed their course entry paperwork. Thank you very much. If you go look in the grade book, those of you who came to the orientation and signed up for Remind Texting should have extra credit in your grade book. You should get 1 point extra credit for signing up for free texts and 1 point extra credit for coming to the orientation. Please look in the grade book and make sure that my records agree with yours. Discussion board number 1 is available. Quiz number 1 is available. Remember, the discussion board is due this Wednesday at 11:59. If anybody has any questions, I'm available via text or phone. Look forward to seeing you Wednesday night for our Wednesday seminar. We're going to be talking about all the different ways that you can be a psychologist, and I'm going to explain to you what a social psychologist is. So I really hope that you can take the time to meet me in my virtual classroom Wednesday night. Take care, have a great day, and stay warm.